In this video, we will be unboxing our robotics kit grade 3. This is how the robotics kit looks like. Let's start. As we got our component list, a packet of electronics and blocks, the packet of wet bricks, a ball. Let's start firstly with our electronic components and the blocks. So firstly, we get a battery holder. This is how it looks. A battery connector, wheels, a small pouch of rubber bands, 4 pencil cell batteries. After this, we have 3-in-1 block in which we have a power jack. In the center, we have button. This we have a switch for our motor driver. Here it also acts like a motor driver because we have a connector of motor, and by this switch we can just use it for forward and reverse. And in the last, we have a motor. Now let's start with the packet of wet bricks. Let's open this. So firstly, we get 5-hole beam. According to the quantity, we have 12 5-hole beam. This is how it looks. After this, we have 1-hole beam. According to the quantity, it is 24. This is how it looks. After this, we get a pouch of 1-hole elbow. This is how it looks. After this, the next one is 3-hole elbow. Quantity which is given, it is 12. This is how it looks. Next, we have 2-hole elbows. The quantity which is given is 12 again. This is how it looks. Then we have a packet of dummy axle, BO shaft, the block holders, short, medium and long axles, a pouch of coupler, and a robotic key. So this was the complete unboxing of grade 3 robotics kit.